It's 6 a.m. We've woken up early, got showered, got ready. I'm with Mo. You're probably wondering how we got here. Let me catch you up. Perfect. So now that you know how we're here, what are we doing today?
I don't know.
We don't know where we're going. We're going to hit the road. We're going to head out.
And that's the beauty of it, because adventure awaits.
Cheers! We've just parked up. It's 9:40 a.m. and we're getting out to stretch our legs. The drive has been insane so far. Peak's way too tall. And now we're parked in front of a huge castle in the water. Eileen Donnan Castle. Unreal.
Right, so we made it to this castle.
Eileen Donnan Castle.
And it's literally in the middle of an island. Yeah, there's no one here.
We're on an island on a castle, and it's off season in Scotland right now. It's winter, there's no one here. We've been driving for what, a couple hours, not seen a car. It's like we've got the place to ourselves.
Yeah, I might have to stay here for the night. What do you think?
Doesn't move.
Imagine the spikes just impale you.
Gonna ride the lightning, feel the thunder, till the darkness pulls me under. You're the fire, wings of fire, breathing good Lord lifts me higher. Singing oh, when they call me on. Gonna ride the lightning. What? There's a man in a black coat standing at a crossroads.
Alright. Me and Mo finally made it to the Old Man Storm. Well, we're hiking to the Old Man Storm right now after a long drive, a lot of stops. The weather's got slightly worse. It's quite cold, quite windy, a bit misty, but it's not going to stop us.
It's all part of the fun.
It's all part of the fun. You gotta earn it. You gotta earn the view, yeah? We're on our way. I don't know how long we're going to be hiking for, but we've got a pretty good elevation so far. I don't even know if you can see that much down there, but it's cold, rainy, windy, and we're having a great time. Woo! So we've been walking for a long time, and we were starting to wonder we couldn't find the Old Manor store. It's basically a huge spiky rock formation in Scotland. Until we looked up, and I don't know if you can make this out of the camera, but it is right here. That thing is absolutely enormous, and yeah, it's completely hidden in the clouds. We are in the clouds right now. This is the view. The sea is somewhere down there. We're going to keep walking, obviously, because we came this far. We're not going to give up, but we literally can't see anything at all. And the rain's picked up. I'm soaking wet. Still having a good time. This is not what we thought this place would look like when we got here. It's not what we saw online. We spent God knows how long getting here. We're soaking wet. We're cold. It's windy, we can't see anything, and you think that would put us off.
But you see, the thing about life, it's not about the destination, more about the journey, the fun times you had getting here.
Yeah, we came all this way, can't see anything. Like I said, the conditions are awful, and we're still having one of the best days we've had in a very, very long time.
Sure, there was moments we wanted to turn back, believe me, there was.
We couldn't see anything. We can't see up here.
But sometimes it doesn't matter if you can see. It's just have a good time.
You might just see this clearly. You might just see this clearly. We can barely make it out through the mist. We're in the clouds. One of the best days we've had in a long time. Joking about the water.
I had to put my hat back on.
Oh my god, this is so clear. Oh, it's warm down.
I want to mention as well, when the wind smacks in the rain, it's the stingiest thing in the world.
It's not nice. I don't even know if the GoPro might pick up the wind, but we're literally nearly falling off the hill. It's mental. Oh my god, look at this, man! What's going on? I really hope you can see the wind in the rain. This is insane. Back in the car after a very wet hike down. I am in my socks, my boxers and my t-shirt right now because everything is soaked through. Mo's driving with no shoes on.
My t-shirt is at least 90% wet.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
My sleeves are soaking wet. It's a long day really. And then we got a very long drive back to the lodge.
The sat-nav isn't working, which is also great.
We have no service, sat-nav's not working.
All we've got really is the GoPro and a dream and a quarter tank of petrol.
Yeah.
Sick.
Quarter tank of petrol, no service, everything we own is soaking wet. We're freezing cold still. Hey, we're still having a good time, we're still vibing.
That's it.
That's what it's all about. We just made it back to our lodge. This is it right here. This is home for the, well, yesterday and tonight. Mo's down there. I'm still in my boxers, it's freezing cold. Everything in the car is still wet. And yeah, we're gonna get changed, head out for food, and then come back, get the fire on, and have an early night because, you know, we've had a long day, long day. out, had dinner, we're back here now. We've got the fire roaring, it's getting very hot. All the clothes are all over the floor drying from earlier. We're gonna put a movie on. It feels late, it's like 8:30. Yeah, we're gonna put a movie on, relax. A long day.
It's been a long, wet, windy, but more importantly a fun day.
Unreal day. Core memories every single turn of the day. Unreal.
I guarantee you put two random people, not that we're random, what I'm trying to say, you put two people in the car for 8 hours, I'm sure they'll have a few arguments. I'm sure they'll probably argue about not going to the mountain because it's freezing cold. Not us, man. I guess we're just built different.
Not even that, like two people, you put them in a car together, but yeah, fair enough. But then make all of their clothes wet, freezing cold, no service for phones, nothing else to do. Still had a great time. That's what's up. I'll be honest, we were recording this. No idea what we were doing. There was never a plan, there was never a goal. It was just to document what we'd done, look back on it. I don't really care if no one watches this. It's just for us to look back on, record some core memories, and remember the time we had here. And there will be many more like this to come. This is just a tease, like this is just a taster for what we can do. January this year, we booked this trip super last minute. It's been unreal, and it's definitely a gateway to a lot bigger things for the year.
And I'm looking forward to every single one of them. I just can't wait. You know what? I thought, going to Scotland in January. I don't know. I'm not built for the cold. But if I could go back in time and slap my younger self, I would, because this trip is genuinely once in a lifetime. Although I could probably do it a few more times.
Probably will do it a few more times to
Yeah.
be sure. Biggest message of the whole video, the whole day, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't matter the cards you're dealt. No matter which way you turn, adventure awaits. Come on. Oh.